Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to preserve locust beans without refrigerator, and trust me, it can last for at least 3 months. Please don't forget to subscribe and remember to click the notification button so you can be notified whenever I drop new videos. In this video, I also share the health benefits of locust beans. Keep watching so you don't miss that. Check the description box for the recipe and the step-by-step method of preparation. Here is my tray, and here is the locust beans I sourced from the market. I pour the locust beans inside the tray, and to it I added a tablespoon of salt. I mix the salt and the locust beans together so that the salt can be evenly distributed. I continue to mix thoroughly. Then I began to spread the locust beans out so as to allow enough air to penetrate and to keep them from sticking together. I continue to spread them out. After I am done, I place it under a hot sun so as to get it sun dried. Here is my locust beans 24 hours later. They are no longer sticking together. Can you see how they are separated? And it's giving a crispy sound. Can you hear it? That's 24 hours later. Kindly like and share these videos. 48 hours later, I began to pack my locust beans inside a very clean and dry container. These locust beans can last for at least 3 months without going bad. According to a local research, it is believed that locust beans helps in improving the sight. Here is my locust beans neatly packed in a airtight container, sealed and ready to be stored in my kitchen's shelf. Let me know in the comment section how you prefer to have your own locust beans, seed or in powdered form. See you next time.